Hi, welcome to Benedict Godswill TV. Have you ever wondered how the microwave works and the science behind it? Well, in this video I will be explaining everything you need to know about the microwave, so stay tuned. A microwave is a type of oven that uses electromagnetic radiation in the microwave frequency range to heat food. When microwaves enter food, they cause water, fat, and sugar molecules to vibrate rapidly. This molecular motion generates heat, which is then conducted throughout the food, cooking it from the inside out. Microwaves utilize electromagnetic radiation, a form of energy that travels in waves. These waves have a specific frequency range, typically between 300 MHz and 300 GHz. A microwave oven contains several key components that work together to heat food. Let's begin by talking about Number 1. The power supply. This is the part that connects to your wall outlet, 120V or 230V AC. It sends electricity into the oven and distributes it to other parts. Number 2. High voltage transformer. It is made up of a heavy block of iron and copper wire, which looks like a big square brick. Its function is to increase the normal household voltage to a very high voltage, around 2000 to 4000 volts, needed to power the magnetron. Number 3. High voltage capacitor. It is a big metal cylinder or box, which function is to store electrical energy and releases it quickly to help run the magnetron. It also works with the diode to convert AC into DC. Number 4. High voltage diode. This is a small black stick-like part connected to the capacitor. The high voltage diode acts like a one-way valve for electricity, changing AC, alternating current, into DC, direct current, which the magnetron needs. Number 5. The magnetron, the heart of the microwave. It is made up of special vacuum tube with fins and magnets around it. The magnetron helps convert high-voltage electricity into microwave radiation, around 2.45 GHz. This is what actually cooks your food. Number 6. Waveguide. This is a hollow metal channel inside the oven. Its function is to direct the microwaves from the magnetron into the cooking chamber. Number 7. Stirring fan. This is a small fan or spinning metal blade near the waveguide. Its function is to spread the microwaves evenly so food cooks uniformly. Number 8. Turntable motor and plate. This is the rotating glass plate and the motor underneath it. Its function is to spin the food slowly so all sides get exposed to microwaves. Number 9. Control panel and timer. This is the buttons, keypad, or touchscreen you use. Its function is to send signals to the electronic control board to adjust time, power level, and cooking settings. Number 10. Safety interlock switches. This has a small switch in the door. Its function is to make sure the oven only works when the door is fully closed. If you open the door, microwaves stop instantly. Number 11. Cavity and metal mesh door. This is the cooking chamber with metal walls and a door that has a metal mesh window. Its function is to keep the microwaves trapped inside, letting only visible light pass through so you can see your food. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. See you in my next video. Bye.